Hey everyone, I'm Rachel from Govly, here to share with you our latest feature release, Awards Intelligence. This new feature lets you dive deep into federal spending data so you can find out what agencies have been spending money on and what resellers those contracts have been going to. So let's dive right in. All right, here it is, our new awards feature. You can find it in the left nav inside Govly. You'll notice that it is in beta, which means we're actively soliciting as much feedback as we can about this new feature so that we can make it even more amazing. And if you have feedback for us as you're playing around, come to the smiley face in the bottom right corner, click on it, and just drop us a note letting us know what you think. All right, so let me show you how awards works. You can use the search box or any of these filters here on the left to narrow down the scope of awards that you're looking at, and then you can do interesting research on that set of awards. So let's say I'm interested in doing some analysis on all of the digital transformation awards that have gone out over the years. So I'll type in digital transformation in the search box, and I have a typo. There we go. All right, so a bunch of results in the realm of digital transformation. I can click into any of these and get more detail. This is just kind of the at-a-glance view. The first thing I want to show you is this analytics feature so that you can really slice and dice this information in interesting ways. So let's head over to analytics. And at first, we'll see a chart over time. So this is showing over the last 4 years because that's the default view that awards is set to. And unsurprisingly, we've seen big increases in digital transformation spending over the last year. We can also see the top agencies that have been spending in this category. So DoD, DHS, or sorry, HHS, GSA, NASA, on down the list. And now in this top chart, I can actually drill down by agency, recipient, and set-asides. Let's take a look at how spending has been trending over time across the agencies. So let's look at awarding agency. And look, we have these huge spikes at a few different agencies very recently. So DoD, not surprising, but we also have GSA with a big spike, and we also have Health HHS with a big spike. So let's dive a little bit deeper and get the details on what all those awards are. So to do that, I'm going to head to the filters on the left. I'm going to go to awarding agency and type in HHS. And now I'm actually going to take you back to the results tab and show you a new view, which is our table view. So right now we're looking at it in card view. If you switch over to table view, you'll actually see all of these awards listed out in whatever order you'd like. So we're looking at the potential award amount order. So I'm seeing the biggest awards at the top. And you can actually see the biggest award was to Booz Allen Hamilton, and specifically through NIH. So that's really interesting. Let's go ahead and click on it. And now we can get more detail. So it looks like there's still 6 months remaining on this contract. 43 million has been spent out of a total potential of almost 300 million. So that's a kind of interesting data point. You can get some details on the transaction history. You can get the agency details. So, like we looked at before, we want to dive deeper than just HHS, specifically the sub-agency is NIH, and you can even get down to the awarding office and funding office here. And there's, of course, recipient details down here below. So that is, in a nutshell, how you can leverage the new awards feature to kind of start with your high-level research, dig deeper and deeper using the filters, using chart interactions, and eventually get down into that nitty-gritty award detail so that you can use that intel to help formulate your own sales strategy as you're working with the federal sector. And that's a wrap on this demo video for awards. If you have any feedback at all, again, don't hesitate to let us know. Thanks.